natin kung anong meron ngayon? Okay, kakain tayo. So dahil alam ko po, nagutom na lahat, hindi po muna tayo kakain kasi wala pa po yung celebrant. Okay.
To raise your hand towards Ate Joy right now and then give a blessing to Ate Joy. Lord, this afternoon, we are very thankful sa life ni Ate Joy. We would like to lift up unto you her life. Thank you for the fruitful and abundant 65 years you have given to Ate Joy. We pray for good health, happiness, and always in love.
Nagpapasalamat ako, umabot tayo sa ganitong edad, na malusog, walang sakit, at so...
Many more happy birthdays to celebrate. Kicking and alive. I love you.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat at nakarating kayo sa birthday celebration ni Joy. Actually, ayaw na nga namin sa akin mag-celebrate kami-kami na lang. Pero sabi niya, one time na lang para... So, ang wish ko lang sa kanya, good health. More eating to come and more blessing to come.
For everything and wishing you all the best.
Birthday sa atin. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for being so generous, so kind. You're the best, mom. We love you so much. Thank you very sa pag-support sa mga apo ko. Andito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Tsaka wish ko siyempre good health. We love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Alam mo naman nandito lang kami lagi para sa iyo. Thank you sa maging understanding at yun lang love na namin.